Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, today is going to be short. It's going to be sweet. Only have one story to talk about today, and that is the fact that MSC Cruise Lines, well, they are officially coming to Galveston, Texas. So if you like to sail out of Galveston, that is the home port of your choosing, one that's closest to you or one that you just like to travel to cruise, you are going to have another option, and that is going to be the MSC Seascape. Now, the MSC Seascape, it's a pretty new ship, built in 2022. It's one of MSC's big, full-size, new, luxurious, fancy cruise ships, and that is the one that they are going to be sending to Galveston. Now, the first sailing out of Galveston is going to be November the 6th of 2025. So we got a little bit of time before she gets here, but MSC's announcement also had a couple other little interesting tidbits in it. One being that they said that they're going to be docking at Pier 16. Well, currently, Pier 16 is the location where they're planning the new cruise terminal. So this kind of confirms, along with the other information we've been putting out, that there is going to be a fourth cruise terminal added in Galveston, Texas. It's going to be at Pier 16, and that is, at least today, where MSC says the Seascape is going to be docking. This is good news for Galveston. As I said, it's another cruise line, one that we don't have. Right now, if you really want to sail on MSC, you got to go all the way to Florida. So having them move over here to Galveston, that's just going to give us more opportunities. And it joins the existing cruise lines that we already have now. We already have Carnival, we have Royal Caribbean, we have Norwegian Cruise Lines, we have Princess Cruise Lines, we have Disney Cruise Lines, and now we're adding MSC Cruise Lines. So Galveston continues to grow, continues to get more cruise ships, more cruise lines in there, which means for us as cruisers, it's just more opportunities, different opportunities to cruise. Now, the Seascape is going to be sailing 7-night sailings out of Galveston, going to be going to Cozumel, Costa Maya, and Roatan. That is their current plan, what they have announced. Bookings are available now, so you can go on MSC's website and you can go ahead and book yourself a cruise on MSC Seascape departing from Galveston. I know I'm going to be looking at it here over the next couple of weeks, because I guarantee you I'm going to book on that ship because I am ready to try some MSC. But hey, let me know what you guys think. Are you excited that MSC has confirmed that they are coming to Galveston, Texas? Are you planning to book, or will you now consider booking an MSC cruise? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. All right, and that's going to be our video today. Like I said, short and sweet. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we'll see you out on the high seas.